Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to remove the recommended items from the start menu in the Windows 11. Okay, so let's get started. So whenever you are using the Windows, you will try to click on this start menu option for many purpose, whether you want to shut it down or you want to open some other menu options or you want to go to control panel or settings. Okay, so whenever you click on this particular start menu options, so here you can see a lot of recommended items like whatever the recent files or the applications which you have opened, which you have downloaded, whichever you have used it. Okay, suppose if you want to get rid of these kind of files or the applications, like you don't want these kind of recommended items in the start menu means, so for that what you can do is like you can just go to the settings. Once you go to the settings, here you can go to the personalization. Once you go to the personalization, so here you can see the start recent apps and items folders. So click on this particular start option. So just turn it off, these two options, show recently added apps and show recently opened items in the start jump list and the file explorer. So here you can see these two options are turned on. Okay, so that's why here you can see these recommended items in the start menu option. So now what I will do is like I will just turn it off, these two options, show recently added apps as well as show recently opened items in the start jump list and the file explorer. So I will just turn it off, both the options, and I will close it. Okay, so now if I click on the start menu option, so here you cannot see any kind of recommended items because I have turned it off. So if I turn it off, like there won't be any recommended items in the start menu option. Okay, so this is how you can remove the recommended items from the start menu option. Okay, suppose if you want those recommended items to be back in the start menu means, again you can go to the settings and go to the personalization and go to the start, and again you can just turn it on so that again you will get those recommended items. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in it all. Thank you. Bye bye.